So hold your head up, you'll go far. Listen to me when I say, apparently depending on where you go in Australia, it's slightly more or less conservative when it comes to the subject. I would like to let y'all know I don't care. I don't care about anything. If you feel uncomfortable right now, you should reconsider your ideas about love and get on the right fucking side of history! Can't make no mistakes. I'm on the right track. Baby, I was born this way. Don't love yourself and regret. Love yourself and you're set. I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way. Give yourself